Oh. Okay, we're going to go to the first game. Whoa, we just teleported. Um, this game you will be participating in red light, green light. Red light, green light. Red light means stop. You don't you need to not move, and if you move, you die. And if you don't move, you survive. And the green light is 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 you have to move. If the doll sees you moving, you die. Mana 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 mana. Yan. Next. Kokoriko, korikonko. Isa. One, two, three, go. Oh wait! He died. Oh no! Four players left.